Hi guys, welcome to part 8 of the tutorial React, Redux, Node and ElasticSearch. So we have created flashcard application and we are able to save our flashcards in a state. Now it's time to display our flashcards. So we'll just include a small function in our existing flashcard.js, that is show flashcards. I'll explain it to you as usual. So I save it. So all show flashcards will be doing is we'll be using a function named map in JavaScript, which we use to iterate over a list. So we'll be iterating over the list, that is this dot state dot flashcards, and returning every item in the list with an enclosed li tags to the variable names list and passing that variable to our ul tag here. And I think we'll be using bootstrap classes list group and list group items, which will really beautify our code. So it's pretty simple, not much, plain simple JavaScript and HTML coding here. So all we need to do now is call show flashcards in our render function. So we'll do it in the end. So here is a form, the form ends here. So after this div tag, we'll put a line here, say HR tag, and then we'll be calling our function. So this is how you call function. This dot show flashcards, and this will call my function show flashcards and should display all the entire list of flashcards that I created. So let's go. Webpack nodemon already running, refresh the page. So this is my first note and I click on submit. This is my first note. Then I say remind me to upload the tutorials on Redux architecture, and I click on submit. Remind me to upload the tutorials on Redux architecture. So now I'm able to create flashcards and display all my flashcards. So with this done, we will this will bring us to an end to the part 1 of the tutorial series, that is understanding React and building a flashcard application using React. Now most of you guys will say this is not a flashcard application, this is just note making application. Yes, right now yes, but we won't be revealing everything and doing everything in the part 1 itself. So things are going to come in part 2. So in part 2 we'll try to implement the same application using the Redux architecture. Along with it, in a flashcard we'll have the option to create a front as well as a back. That is how a flashcard is. Submit it, and in the display here we'll show a list of all the fronts of the flashcard, and next to every front there'll be few buttons like edit, where we can edit our flashcard, remove, where we could delete our flashcard, and show back. So once we click on show back, it will show only the back of this particular flashcard. So those things will implement using the Redux architecture, because that's a much cooler and way of implementing complex application, and we are slowly moving our application to a higher level of complexity. So stay tuned guys. Things to follow is Redux architecture, then eventually using the Elasticsearch API available in Node to save all our data in an Elasticsearch database rather than a local data structure, which is a list in our case. So we'll understand Elasticsearch, we'll understand how to interact with from the React to the Node to the Elasticsearch and back. So a lot of things coming up. Meanwhile, if you like the video, click on like button, put your comments about your journey, about your tutorials, about things you learned, but things you want to teach me, share with Hackavan, and subscribe to Hackavan so that you don't miss out on the future videos. See you in a few. Bye.